everyone, it's Philip G6 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cooking with Philip G6. In this video I'm going to prepare for you something very healthy. It's a healthy snack, rich in protein, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you what ingredients do you need. Flat protein bread, a peanut butter, 1 piece of banana. First thing we need to do is we need to spread the peanut butter on the bread. And after we need to place the banana on the other side of the bread and we will start rolling. The final step is we need to cut the healthy wrap and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You have to try this at least once, I promise you. It's very tasty, it's very delicious, and of course it's much better to eat something that is healthy like this instead of something unhealthy, full of sugar and full of fats. Make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and of course to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm making new videos every Tuesday and every Friday. You can find me and follow me on Instagram as PhilipG6, and see you in the next video. Take care, bye!